Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Soby here and welcome to a new acrylic pouring video. Today I want to do a Dutch pour blowout with the black and white color split base. So going for some contrast today. And for the colors for the blowout, I want to go for really bright sort of floral color palette. And composition wise, I don't really have any plan today except for going for the black and white base. I just kind of really want to let it go and really play with those colors. So let's see how that's gonna turn out. With that being said, let's get started. Today I'm working on 11 by 14 wood panel. I have primed the top with gesso and taped the sides with masking tape, and I get a lot of questions, why do I tape my sides? So the reason for that is that I like to keep my wood side free from paint. I really like how that looks. You can see it on this picture or on this one. So this is totally personal preference and you guys don't have to do it if you don't like doing it. So now I'm going to add my base. For base, I'm gonna have white at the top and I want to have black at the bottom. Going for this really bright and contrasty black and white color split base. All of the colors are mixed with just paint and water. As always, you can find all the mixture details in the description of this video, as well as the brands of the colors that I'm using and links to all the products, so definitely check out that description. Alright, once the base is done, now I'm gonna layer my colors. So first here I have a turquoise. Next, this color is a nickel yellow. So it's like a yellow-green, very bright, interesting color. So I'm very excited to see how it's going to work out with other colors. Next, I'm adding some vermilion, which is a super bright, intense orange. This is red violet. And finally adding just a little bit of gold on top. Before the blowout, always adding a little bit of white. All right, now let's blow it out. So I want to have a big petal, big blowout of paint towards the top here and just a little towards this side. Those colors are absolutely gorgeous together, so I think I'm not gonna blow on my black towards the black with a blow dryer. I'm just gonna do it manually as well as this section because I want to have a little bit more control over that. But so far these colors so good together. Now let's keep working on the design. I'm using a new brand of black today, and I think I have mixed it just a slightly thinner than the rest of the colors, and this lacing is like super intense. I think it's pretty cool. Wow, this is fun. I love it. I think the top looks absolutely gorgeous. I have connected two sections here by blowing a little bit of color towards this sort of a center part, and then I use the spatula to do a little dip and to really connect them together. I think this is really pretty. So I totally love how these colors flow. This here I'm not too crazy about. Too much lacing and painting, it doesn't really work well with the sharp lines, sharp borders of the top petals. Too busy, so I want to scrape the bottom a little and work on it a bit more. Okay, I'm totally gonna stop now. It looks beautiful with contrast yet unity between top and the bottom. So I love it. What do you think? Looking forward to chatting with you in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!